morning, people. Happy Sunday. It is July 27th. This is the final event in July. We're getting ready to head out. I realized that I didn't clear the memory on this GoPro, so hopefully we have enough storage to make a good behind the scenes at this event. So let's get going to Gost. It is hot and muggy, and there is rain in the forecast, so we're doing a no rain dance. Hopefully that holds out. But when there's ever overcast in the fortune here, or in the weather, a lot less people show up, so we'll see how it is. I've been outside for 4 minutes and I'm already sweating, so we'll see how this goes.
Which was 2,500 hours.
Okay.
Average speed was like 36.
Yeah.
So I'm guessing they were driving a lot highway.
Yeah.
I mean, there's barely anything. I mean, the only thing that I've noticed is there's a little dent right here, which I'm gonna get out. You can barely even see it. One on the hood.
Look at this thing, huh?
Still got bugs in it.
Yeah, I feel like they all do. Got the meats on there. Wow. Congratulations, buddy.
Second show it's been to.
There you go.
It rained out Thursday though, which was good.
Yeah. Got the new Swiffer stick here. This one's a little harder to hide in my pocket though. All right, let's go get some coffee. Say hi to the police, say hi to Daniel, get the garbage, and get back to the show here. What's up, Daniel? Weather doesn't seem to be on our side today. How's it going, buddy?
Yeah, you know.
Good to see you.
You look like it was clearing out. I only put up like...
All right, we got coffee, we got the garbage. A buddy of mine who's been working on a Chevy Monza, I don't know if you guys even know what that is, for years, even before I've known him, is coming today for the first time. I don't know when the last time this car drove, and I got sidetracked chatting, so I missed him pull in. So I think he's here. Let's go say hi to him. He's buddies with the yellow Gen 5 Viper that you guys probably always see in these videos. What's up, my man? Is that Thai parking?
It is Thai parking.
I love it. Johnny 5!
Right next to you!
Oh my God!
I got my car here!
I was supposed to be here and I got sidetracked inside talking about coffee.
Slow clap.
What's up, buddy?
Hey, thanks for coming.
How are you?
Thanks for coming. I appreciate
Thanks for coming, Johnny 5!
Ryan, how are you?
Look at this thing. It's here.
How many years? 23 years have you had it?
Huh?
Owned it? How long?
I've owned it since high school. Yeah.
Wow.
You right? You and Ben, and then you took the full.
Yep.
Full ownership, like 98.
He was gonna put a big block in it, and I was gonna take the motor out of it, and then I ended up just being stuck with the car. And I'm like, I kind of like it.
I think what it was is that 23 years ago they had big ideas of what they wanted to do about it.
Yeah.
And nothing happened for a minute.
It's young,
Hey.
you know, being young and stupid.
Big ideas, but look, yours came to fruition.
I
Right.
made it work. Yeah.
Johnny 5, you're gonna be on interview camera?
I don't think so. I don't talk very well.
You don't have to. You just answer questions.
Yeah, I'm just gonna ask you what you drive.
What
and
if I
then-
freeze?
Then
I'll
that's
start
gonna
answering.
make the video funnier.
I'll
I
start
don't
answering.
like that.
That's fine, we're in it.
He's late. Ty, you're late.
And where's Matt?
Yep. He saw a cloud in the sky.
That's
Too much of a chance for him.
son of a gun. Dude, I'm dying right now.
Yeah, I walked out of my garage, I'm like, it's disgusting outside. So, like, I saw like my phone and it showed like mid 70s. I'm like, all right, it's not bad outside. And then I walked out there and it was
Yeah.
bad.
I'm dying here.
Have you heard from Stanville yet or no?
Let me.
That I would purchase with my money.
You say would or wouldn't?
Would not.
I was like, next car after this is a RS6 Advan.
Ooh.
She's like,
ooh.
that's a soccer mom car. I'm like, you're telling me that's a soccer mom car? Because it's a hatch. Probably maybe my 600th photo I've ever took with my.
This is, I mean, these are insane.
Yeah, this was in a parking garage. That was
Wow.
my friend. He actually does really good photos now. I've kind of like taught him stuff, and he does video too. That
Wow.
I'm giving to Tony.
He's coming today.
Yeah, he is. So I'm giving him this. This front kind of got screwed up a bit, but once you frame
Yeah,
it,
you won't see it.
Yeah, I love this shit, man.
Wow.
And then I have.
Hello, hello. Hey guys. You guys are like multiplying here.
What's up, man?
I know it's not the right hand.
See you.
All right,
What is this for?
you're gonna do an interview.
An interview.
You're doing an interview.
Oh gosh, what am I doing this for?
Oh yeah, come on, Colin.
What is the interview about?
I'm gonna ask you 2 questions and you're gonna answer them.
All right, let's go.
All right, let's get the bikes in the background.
Oh yeah, here you got it. Let's do it by my bike.
All right.
Should I like sit by him?
Whatever you want.
Just like sit on the ground?
Like Ja Rule said, it's not how you sit by your bike, it's how you race your bike.
All right. Well.
All right, what do you drive?
I ride this Aprilia right here, 2024 RS V4.
What is your favorite thing about New Lenox Cars and Coffee?
The culture. I've been coming here since it first started. I would originally bring my old Mazda Miata here, and it's very inclusive. Obviously, they allow bikes and everything, so everybody's super nice, and the culture's great here. The environment's great.
All right.
Let's go.
Who else wants to interview?
Derek said he wants to get
Derek wants to. He's just gonna plug Undaunted.
I have sweaty legs.
Sit on the bike.
I have a water. Give me a water. What am I supposed to say?
I'm gonna ask you 2 questions. You can say whatever you want.
So I gotta talk into the Swiffer.
Yeah. All right. What do you ride?
I have a 2020 Ducati Panigale V4.
What is your favorite thing about New Lenox Cars and Coffee?
I like how the bike community of it is growing. When I first started coming here, probably 2 years ago, there really wasn't a whole lot of bikes that really came here. It was just a few here and there. But I like that every time we come here now, we always have a lot of bikes here. So
And front row parking.
yeah, absolutely. That is a nice part of it.
All right.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Who's next?
Adrian, you're next. You've been
You're
coming
next.
for 9 years.
I'm good. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Give me my basic water.
Alex.
No.
It's not that scary.
Hey, is that your white beach water or what?
Yeah, dude. Alkaline water, purified water with added minerals.
I actually went to high school with this girl.
It's basic water.
What, that made this?
Yeah.
Is that what they gave you? Because they don't have.
They didn't have water bottles.
Yeah, we drank.
All right, you crushed it. Everyone else is scared. Appreciate you, gentlemen.
Absolutely.
Good
Thank
work.
you.
Yeah,
Good work.
Years got to do it.
Get Hamad to do it.
It's gonna deter people from coming here.
Yeah, that's okay. We won't force it.
Oh, he'll gladly do it.
We won't force it. I had to upgrade the Swiffer stick though to the extendable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're gonna see the camera.
I had the original one that was like this big, and I had to get the boom mic. So now I could be like, hey, what's your favorite thing?
Accidentally smack him in the head with
Right. You know. Now you don't know if I'm excited to see you, if that's a Swiffer stick. You guys are crazy.
Dude, I thought the same thing for like half.
It looks like an R9.
What's up, buddy? Look at this guy.
going?
Fucking local legends back in town, huh? What's up, buddy? You're on camera.
Oh, sweet. You know why I'm here? See this guy?
Uh-oh. You guys are getting premium parking with that kind of talk.
Premium parking on your lap.
Better be. I didn't even see my car. All right, let me grab this G-Tire really quick, and then you could be on Swiffer interview, all right?
Sounds
He
good.
needs one. He's been in.
Yeah.
So
I also upgraded the Swiffer, so.
New wheels. I think I'm just gonna powder coat mine.
This thing's not bad, huh?
No. I fired mine up.
Only
Two other guys have Infinities too.
okay.
I fired mine up and wrapped it. I was like, what?
This is only just a small 2,000 horsepower,
Is that what that is?
something like that. I think it's a little over.
I said, it's got a chute on the back, I saw.
Oh yeah. Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm a little sweaty, I'm
Me
sorry.
too, I think we all are.
Yeah.
You have a I'm so sorry.
That was almost stuff that was showing up on time.
Yeah. This thing's not bad, huh?
The R34 is my dream car, so.
Sorry. What's up, guys? Thanks for coming.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry, guys.
Eric, you need to experience this thing one day.
I should meet him for a ride. I gotta go do my stretches really quick.
Oh my god, I didn't see the lug nuts on there for a second. I thought it was just floating on there for a second. I was like, oh my god. That's what it says on the door. It's funny.
What is your favorite thing about New Lenox Cars and Coffee?
Oh, probably the community. Let's get, yeah, these, pan over to these guys right here. You know, that group there. And, community, I mean, been growing for years now. First, we barely filled this area, and now we got filling the whole lot, the side lot, and can't even get a spot.
There you go.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
Man, of course.
Thanks for boom micing. That's probably my favorite one so far.
That was good.
I didn't. I think I got that on there. Stop feeding me the mic. Ty, you got anything to say about today?
It's hot, man. It's hot and it's wet.
No.
That's nice.
That's what she said.
It's another great day at Cars and Coffee.
This is pretty ridiculous, though.
I love it.
I know. Just put it in.
Oh, what's up, buddy? How are you?
Alright, how you doing?
Not too bad.
I figured no one was gonna show with the threat of rain.
You know, for like an hour and a half, there was like 30 cars. It finally just started picking up now, so.
Well, yeah, that's why I'm like, I'm just gonna go show up a little late and see
Yeah.
what happens. I figured no one would really show up.
Yeah,
right at
it
8.
definitely wasn't what it normally is, which is fine. To be honest, I kind of like the smaller days. I miss the,
You don't get driving around as nuts so much.
not only that, it's just like then I'm not like rushed to like go talk, like go here, go there. I can like, you know, like I've had a
enjoy yourself a little bit.
Yeah, like I get to like actually talk to people. Let me just grab this really quick.
I have something to say now, Eric. I thought of something.
Hold on, I want to get the.
I have something pretty legendary to say.
Okay.
Well, you'll see.
Legendary.
So what are you guys' fish at, dude? So we're out here today. I heard somebody's wife didn't let them take the Jeep out today.
We're not going to mention names, right?
Not gonna name any names, but yeah, the wife said no, I guess. So we didn't see him out here today.
Right. No white SRT.
No white SRT out here today.
With the license plate golden.
Yeah, it's probably in the TJ Maxx parking lot right now because the wife took it.
Oh, he's gonna kill us. Yeah, so I already knew as soon as there was like the shot of rain that
it wouldn't be a big turnout.
No. To be honest, my wife was kind of hoping that it would
Cancel?
Yeah. Which I don't blame her. I mean, lately between like life and work, it's tough to like we don't get a lot of like downtime but so which again, I now like having the bigger, you know, 1,000 people events, like there's some niceness to like what it used to be.
Right.
And, you know, you could like have conversations with people, a little bit less stupidity leave in, and
Yeah, that's true.
so it's another OG right there. And that is another successful Cars and Coffee. Not as poppin' today with the weather and the heat, but that is okay. We still had a great time. DJing today?
Yeah, he's from Mexico.
Oh, nice.
Just playing like he's a customer friend, you know. And he was in town because he lives there. He's coming back.
Nice.
Yeah, and thing, you know. So just playing little things here and there.
That's cool.
You know,
It wasn't too bad.
Wasn't too
It
bad.
picked up a little bit towards the end.
Yeah.
It's kind of slow in the beginning.
Got the weather. It's always the weather, you know.
It's just these guys, like when there's a little bit of rain, like don't want to show, like, you know, it doesn't even rain and they're dirty, right? It's like your car's not going to melt. It's going to be okay.
But it's like
Right. You use water to wash it. It's going to be fine.
Yeah.
So,
It's underneath. It's like I had everybody, you know, here too. So I'm like, I couldn't like. Do I keep them? I was about to like send a bunch of people home, but
Right.
like the crowds are starting to come in.
yeah, I looked and it finally picked up. And just like that, another event is done and we are officially out of July events. Even though with the heat, we had a great time. It picked up towards the end. I love and appreciate y'all for coming and supporting New Lenox Cars and Coffee and our buddies over at Gost, the best baristas in town. I'll fight you on it. Until August, I'll catch you later. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave some comments. Let me know what you like, what you don't like. I've been digging this behind the scenes series, so I'll catch you later.